It's vector dot product and cross product. It's part 1. That is find z dot product of let's say two vectors, vector A and vector B. Okay, so let's have example 1. In example 1, we take y-axis and x-axis. So number 1, let's give value for x-axis as well as for y-axis, considering a magnitude only. This is the x-axis and this one is the y-axis, and let's have a vector A with okay, magnitude of A which is equal to 10, magnitude of B, let's say, which is equal to 2, the angle between the first vector and log 1 is equal to 37 degrees. Then after having this result, it's possible to find the resultant vector. So to find the resultant vector, first let's have the components. And that's one way of finding, but the other way is just have the magnitude of A multiplied by the magnitude of B multiplied by cosine of the angle between the two vectors. In this case, the cosine of the angle between the two vectors is 37 degrees, and cosine of 37 degrees is already known, which is 0.8. So A divided with B, which is equal to magnitude of A, which is 10, magnitude of B, which is 2, multiplied by cosine, which is 37 degrees, and then 20 multiplied by 0.8, which is equal to 16. Example 2. Consider the y-axis, again the x-axis. So in this case, have these two axes, x and y, and we'll have also two vectors, vector A and vector B. Let's say this is vector A, and the magnitude is 5, and we take also vector B in the F direction, but before that this is 37 degrees between the vector A and the y-axis, and vector B lies to the negative x-axis, Let's draw to the negative x-axis. This is vector b, and there is a magnitude of 10. So we are going to find the dot product of the two vector, vector a and vector b. That is the question. So a total plus b, which is equal to magnitude of a multiplied by magnitude of b multiplied by cosine of the angle between the two, which means 90 degree plus 37 degree. We have 37 degree, and between the y-axis and x-axis also there is 90 degree. So totally it becomes 127 degree. This is 90 degree plus 37. So theta will be equal to 90 plus 37, which is 127 degree. Okay. Then we are going to substitute the values. Before that, we have to find the value of cosine of 127 degree using a different method. It's possible to change into sine, or it's possible to get into in terms of sine by cos in the quadrant second. This is the second quadrant. So what's sine of 127, which is equal to minus cosine cos 127, which is equal to minus cosine of 180 degree minus 127. It becomes minus of cos 53. Cos of 53 degree, where cos of 53 is already known, which is 0.6. So substitute the values in the previous one. We have 5, 10, and 0.6. So we multiply them together and to get a dot b, which is first one. So a dot b, which is equal to magnitude of a times magnitude of b cosine of the angle between the two, which is cosine of 127 degree. So let's substitute the values. We have the magnitude of a, cosine is already known, which is 0.6. Five times 10 would be times minus 0.6, which is equal to 30.